For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Habakren lor kajing thu ban wan ra ek lentirel na chaparmuk junction ha Assam sha Jowai ha Meghalaya. Menteri ke Sarkar Jelau ba KYRMEN SHYLLA uloong banalor kania di ban ailat ki Trai Shnong ka Jowai bikin shemekarai. Bat kibai ki ban Nabar kene kathan kem de ban Tuklar yai. La ban kedau hangnya bah pedeng kajing penslam mega project lentirel na berni hat Shillong. Kladan kajing terwa ke bathamai na kebenta ke project rel ke ban long shispa prapo kilometer na choran muk Jun sha Jowai ha ke Jelam Meghalaya. Nri halor kaniga project kladan kajing persyak ki babon kenthop ni kisang phalang. Habagran gilat patai ko bora ka arpusan trik urampang arhajar arpusan ba KYRMEN SHYLLA uloong baga sarkar kaniat kadum kamon jigi patba lagi menjurlang ka kloi ban pediang kani. Mereka rai ka di ban long tang jong ki Trai Shnong bat omde mendan manu menurut ki ban Nabar kathan ki ban Tuklar. Nomor tang ki Trai Shnong hi ki basngo thu ya kayok kokok jong ki bat ka sarkar kaniat kat kum kejing kwa opat ba.
Nothing should happen against the public, or nothing should not happen when they are in favor of. We are here for the public, and we'll make sure that we are with the public, and it will happen with that.
Personally, now, don't you think that a final decision should be arrived at and consultation should be held with the public because it's not happening for many years?
That actually, most I have heard, most of them they give their views and opinions. Uh, it's just that they need to calculate what exactly the benefits when we have train. What if by having a train, how will it boost the economy, the business? To be frank, and I think everyone knows that Jaiñtia people, they are very smart in business, and they are, most of them are in business, so they know exactly which will bring them, to boost the economy of our district. So for here, for this, I would like to see that no interference from anybody, that let the public should decide.
But will there be any? Will you call for any consultation or
It's
something?
going on, to be frank.
But when the report will
Personal, individual, but it's just that we need to come to one big meeting where everyone should come, and then, especially those local people from that area. If suppose they want to bring train to Jowai, so let the Jowai people decide. And if it goes through my area, my people also will decide. But if it didn't go through my area, why would we go and just poke? But let them decide which area will come. If it happens that it will come in my areas, let my people from my area decide whether to accept it or not. No interference should be there from outsiders. That's all I want to say. If there is, I cannot say whether is there. It has not come yet to that part, but I have just said, if there is anything chances to happen, they should not let the local people decide, because they know the better their livelihood, how they are, who are we to poke on others, plate, because we should take care of our own. And take it, support, no doubt. We would love to have the support of others, but not to brainwash our people. That's all I want to
Well,
say.
sir, will you suggest the government to call for a public meeting so that final decision can be
No,
arrived
for
at?
this, we as a local representative, we can take care of this. Let the government need not
Will
come
you?
into
Will
that
you?
conclusion.
Will you
Let me
ask?
suggest first, especially as a local representative, we will have a talk with our people. After we see that if they say no, that means we'll stand against the government if they try to bring it. If the public say yes, we will stand with public and then request for it. I am with the public.